We got a ton of wind in my neighborhood, which is a problem for obvious reasons. In fact, this is what my flag looks like most days when I'm coming home from work. It gets all twisted and tangled. I actually took it down for about 3 or 4 weeks because I was just tired of dealing with it. You know, this is what it looked like most days when I got home. Not fun. Who wants to do that? So I got these flag weights, and they're magnetic. They're silicone wrapped and incredibly strong, as you can see right here. Look out. So you put them on the flag itself. You can put one on each side, and they're red in color too, so they match perfectly. You really don't know that they're there unless you're looking for them, and they hold the flag down pretty nicely. And so now when I come home, this is usually what I'm looking at, which is way more inviting, a lot less of a hassle for sure. Started actually with a 4-pack right down there, but my neighborhood is super windy, so I ended up going with the 8-pack just to kind of hold it in place a little better.